Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our the news of products on my right hand. This is chest styling the freezers, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length, they are about like a 49 inches long, and include the handlebars and back hinge. The total depth is about like a 30 inches. Overall height of the unit is about like a 36 inches tall in total. So we can see the units, they come in with the lockers and handlebars right here. And when we're looking down the units, we can see they do have a plastic covers. The controllers under here using the brands called the Dexels. On the side of the units, we have a standard 110 plus connections they offer from by the manufacturers. And also they do have a car sheets information, serial number, and also important, they do having the ETL sanitation stickers. They give you the confirm to the UL and the NSF sanitation too. And also they do have a detail running the voltage, amps, and the total how many watts they're using for every day. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. And when we open this lid, we can see they do come in with the two big baskets inside. And dimension of the baskets, they are about like a 10 inches wide and 21 inches long. And the overall height, they almost like about like a 9.5 inches tall. So we can see the inner side on the right hand, they do have a stage because the compressor and coil system is mounting at the below. And on the left hand top, we can see they have a small cap. That's for the water drains out place. And the dimensions for the inner side, it is about like a 25 inches tall and 22.5 inches wide. And almost about like a 44 inches long. This will be the all demonstration information about the products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.